Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use EN-508 for online addressing and verification. Connect the PC and controller with a Category 5E network cable. Set up the network card according to the network port connection prompts on the side of the controller. The EN-508 manual describes the chips that can be addressed. We select the corresponding chip in the hardware of Seekway LED Player. After completing the hardware settings and wiring, we can start online addressing. Click Debug. Click Address. Select the controller to be addressed. Select Address Checked Controller. We wait a moment. You can see the light up. This means that the addressing is successful. Click Online Debugging. We can see the test light turn on. Select different test effects. We can see the light changes. You can choose color test. Check whether the single-channel color sequence is correct. Select pixel test. Check the order of the light chip. There are multiple pixel test methods to choose from. The above is all about online addressing and address verification. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.